Hello, in this video, we're going to look at 6 common prepositions and the adjectives that they most commonly collocate with. Prepositions and adjectives like interested in or similar to. Look at these examples to see which adjectives are used with certain prepositions. I'm interested in the idea. My jacket is similar to yours. She's brilliant at maths. My neighbor is angry about the party. Memorizing these various prepositions and their adjectives is not a good idea. I don't recommend it. But exposing yourself to these collocations will allow you to recall them later in conversation. Because some adjectives go with certain prepositions. However, there are no grammatical rules for which preposition is used with which adjective. So it's a good idea to try to learn them together. There are some patterns, however, that can help you. So let's take a look at some now. At. We use at with adjectives like good, bad, amazing, brilliant, terrible, and so forth, to talk about skills and abilities. Here are a few examples. He's really good at English. She's amazing at the piano. What are you amazing at? Practice this collocation in the comments below and let me know. They're terrible at organizing anything. I'm not very good at drawing. It's true, I'm not. About. We use about with adjectives of feelings like angry, excited, happy, nervous, sad, stressed, worried, and a host of others to explain what is causing that feeling. I'm angry about the decision. He's nervous about the presentation. What are you nervous about? Practice this collocation in the comments below. They were worried about the exam. She's excited about the new job. Of. However, sometimes we use of with feelings. She was afraid of telling her mom. I'm frightened of having an accident. He's scared of flying. What are you scared of? I'm scared of heights. Let me know in the comments and practice this collocation. And finally, you should be proud of your progress. To. We can use the preposition to show the connection between people or things. He's married to the director. I'm addicted to my phone. I'm allergic to nuts. It's similar to the old one. We can also use to talk about someone's behavior towards someone else. They were really friendly to me. Was he nice to you? He is always polite to everyone. She was very rude to the waitress. For. Let's look at a few examples of adjectives that collocate well with the preposition for. Exercise is good for you. Stress is bad for you. The town is famous for its cheese. What is your town famous for? If it is famous for something, practice this collocation and let me know in the comments. I'm responsible for the financial side of the business. In. She's interested in the project. They want someone who's experienced in design. I didn't want to get involved in the argument, but I hope you get involved in my YouTube account more regularly. So please remember to subscribe, comment in the video, especially the homework that I've given you, and let your friends know about this beginning series that offers a new video every week. Thanks for watching and see you soon.